Buzzy, buzzy, buzz. Clap, clap, clap. Hop, hop, hop. Let's go! Brush, brush, ding, ding. Wash, wash, splash, splash. Yum, yum, munch, munch, sleep. Shh! Good habits. Yay, yay! Good habits. Hey, hey! Jump, jump, twirl around. Smile, smile, up and down. Buzz, buzz. Hooray! Good habits every day.
Woohoo! Hi, friends! Welcome back! I'm DugDugi, and you are watching DugDugi TV Junior. Are you ready to learn about good habits and bad habits? When you see a good habit, shout good habit. And when you see a bad habit, shout bad habit. Are you ready? Let's go!
Look, everyone! What's this child doing? Brushing teeth! Is this a good habit or a bad habit? That's right! Good habit! Brushing our teeth keeps them clean, strong, and shiny. Let's all pretend to brush. Brush, 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 brush. Great job! Uh-oh! The wrapper is on the ground! Should we leave it there? Is it a good habit or a bad habit? That's right! Bad habit! Let's pick it up, throw it into the dustbin. Yay! Now everything is nice and clean. Splash, splash! What are they doing? Washing hands. Good or bad? Correct! Good habit! We wash our hands before eating, after playing, and after using the bathroom. Let's scrub together. Front, back, between the fingers. Awesome! Yummy! Apples, broccoli, carrots, orange. Healthy food helps us grow big and strong. Good or bad? Good habit! Can you name your favorite healthy food? Wow, great choice! Uh-oh! This child has been watching TV for a very long time. Should we watch TV all day? Good or bad? That's right! Bad habit! Let's play outside, read books, dance, or draw instead. So much fun! Wow! So many toys! Should we leave them everywhere or clean them up? Good or bad? Good habit! Let's clean together. 1, 2, 3. All done! Amazing teamwork. The moon is out! It's bedtime! Sleeping early helps us grow healthy and happy. Good or bad? Good habit! Sleeping early gives us energy to play. Good night, little stars.
Ready for a super fast quiz? I'll show a habit. You shout good habit or bad habit.
Eating healthy foods. Good habits or bad habits? Good habit. Throwing trash on the ground? Good habits or bad habits? Bad habit. Washing hands. Good habits or bad habits? Good habit.
You did an amazing job today! See you in the next fun adventure with DugDugi. Hit the like button and subscribe to DugDugi TV Junior. Bye-bye, little learners!